Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So in today's video I will be creating a Christmas Eve makeup look 2021. So watch the video till the end. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So we will be starting with our base makeup. First of all, you need to apply some moisturizer. I did it already. I applied the Cetaphil moisturizer. Now I will be applying some primer. For that I am using the NY Bae Blurring Primer. Minimizes pores, blends like a dream, hydrating in nature. Just concentrate more around my nose because I have some pores around this area. For foundation, I'll be using the Iba Halal Cosmetics Pure Skin Liquid Foundation with SPF 15 and it is in the shade Sun Beige. I don't know the shade number exactly. I think this one doesn't have a shade number, it just have a shade name which is Sun Beige. So I just collaborated with this brand Iba Halal. They have sent me this foundation and I am really in love with this. The texture is really nice and it is not full coverage, it gives a very medium to light coverage and the formula is very much light to your skin. You doesn't even feel you have something on your face, and yeah, it gives a very natural glow to your skin. But the shade which I have received is not matching to my skin color, so that's why I have to mix it with some other shades of foundations. So it is more on yellow undertone. So now I'll be concealing my face using the NY Bae concealer. It is in the shade number 03. I exactly don't know the name. It's I think dark something dark and white chocolate pretzel in the shade 03. So yeah. So now I'll be setting up my face using the Stay Quirky translucent powder. It is in the shade Get Down and Dirty 6. This is what exactly is the problem with this powder. It doesn't have any type of puff. The product abruptly pops out from the container. That is the biggest problem of this powder. So now I'll be contouring my face using the Studio Light Glow Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette. I'll be mixing up these two shades. Now I'll be filling up my brows using the Swiss Beauty's brow palette. This is in the shade 02. So I'll be taking this shade. We are done with the brows. Now we will be moving on to the eyeshadow. For my eyes, I'll be going with some neutral shades. For that, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution palette. This palette is in the shade Velvet Rose, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. For my crease, I'll be using this shade. So I will just skip this eyeshadow look till here. For my inner corners, I'll be taking a liquid eyeshadow. This is from the Swiss Beauty and the shade number is 03 Champagne. Now I'll be taking a small brush and I'll just blend it properly with the eyeshadow. For eyeliner, I'll be using the NY Bay Alice Island eyeliner and it is in the shade black. For mascara, I'll be using the Nykaa's Curl Power Waterproof Curling Mascara. So for blush, I'll be using the NY Bay blush. This is in the shade Skyline Sunset. I think this shade is called Cloudy Pink or something. This is the shade. For highlighter, I'll be using the NY Bay Shine and Shimmer highlighter. For lipstick, I'll be using the Blue Heavens Powder Matte Bullet Lipstick. It is in the shade Ruby Glow M RMO3. So this was the video guys. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with new videos. So stay tuned and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.